Hi everyone, it's Stephanie back with another quick tip. Today I'm going to show you how to copy and paste nothing but the width of your column, which can be super helpful when it comes to setting up templates. So I have a spreadsheet here. You may recognize this from last week. It has several tabs in it. And as I do a control page down and move through these tabs, you can see that the column widths are just all over the place. And sometimes you just want a nice uniform look to your workbook so you don't have to go back and forth with your eyes as you are looking for data. So what I like to do is set up one worksheet in here with exactly the formatting I want as far as the column widths. And then I can choose the columns that I want to paste the width for. And this works really only in the spreadsheet if all of my data is in columns A through E. So you have to have some uniformity to your data setup, but you can select the columns, do a right click and say copy. And then I am going to select all of my other worksheets. So I do that by clicking this first one, holding my control click, left click on this right arrow, as I told us last week. And I can click on this last one while holding the shift key, which selects all of these spreadsheets. And then I can just go up into cell A1, which is where I was when I was copying the original column widths. Do a right click, and under paste special, there's this little column widths radio button. So when you click on that, now I'm just going to press Control Home to kind of clear out the selection. Control left click on this arrow to get me back to the front of the workbook and choose my first tab. Escape to get out of that copy mode. Control Home again to get to the top of my data. And now I'm just going to do Control Page Down to kind of move through this workbook, and you'll see now everything is uniform. So I really like that just paste column width radio button because it doesn't affect any of the other formatting. And if you have widened out some columns to look at some data and you want to get it back, you don't have to constantly look at how wide each column is and set it up to be exactly that width on each one. So it's a great little shortcut. I use it a lot. I hope you found that helpful. If you did, give the video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more notifications, and I'll see you next week. Bye.